Goodyear rear wiper blades are designed to provide enhanced rear window visibility. This brief video will take you step by step through the removal and installation on vehicles with V-notch rear wiper arms. To remove your current wiper blade, slide the plastic cover in the center of the wiper blade outward, revealing the wiper arm pin. Pull the wiper blade down until it disengages from the wiper arm. Attach the 7D adapter onto the pin at the end of the wiper arm. Push the wiper blade onto the wiper arm until it locks into place. Give the wiper blade a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Now, remove the plastic protector over the rubber by sliding it off the wiper blade. And finally, lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. That's it! You're done! You now have 360 degrees of superior visibility.